Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Sanchez and I'm sharing my experience in corporate sustainability to help others make this world a better place. First of all, say thank you to all of you that are following me in the social networks. It is really encouraging all the messages that I'm receiving and keeps me working, sharing with you these best practices at my blog at carlosanchez.eco. Secondly, I'm excited to announce that in the following weeks, I'm organizing a live event where I'm going to invite some sustainability experts to discuss about one of the topics that everyone is talking these days, and still companies are having a hard time implementing. Stay tuned, following me at the social networks, and don't forget to visit my blog at carlosanchez.eco. Have a great day.